Hello guys! So today's activity is about the Amazon, okay, the rainforest. This place is really important to the earth. People say that it's the lung of the earth, so can you imagine how powerful that is? Yeah, so to honor this place, I decided to create my own Amazon, my own rainforest, and I'd like you to do the same. Alright, I will show you some steps, some materials. You can use the things that you have at home and we're gonna have fun, right? This is the material that I used: scissor, glue, and papers of different colors. You can rip the paper instead of using the scissor. I took all the pieces of paper that I had at home, all kinds of paper. Now my Amazon is ready. Look at that. So now it's your turn. Do it your own way, okay? Be creative, get all the materials that you have at home, and that's it. See you next time. Bye bye.